Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at how to pass your C-15 flooring license exam. Now, the C-15 flooring contractor license exam is going to be broken up into 7 parts, including planning and estimating, subfloor evaluation and preparation, carpet installation, resilient goods and rubber flooring installation, laminate flooring installation, wood flooring installation, and safety. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the C-15 license, I suggest you check out our previous video that goes into detail on this license. This video is going to be just breaking down the exam. Now, as is the case with all California contractor license classifications under the C specialty, you'll need to pass the CSLB Law and Business exam, which will include sections on business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there'll be a section on public works. So the CSLB exam will be 2 portions, 115 questions of law and business and 115 questions of flooring. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book, and you'll get 3 hours to complete each section. It's going to be a computerized exam that you'll have to do at a CSLB testing facility. So keep in mind, if you're applying from out of state, you will need to come to California to take the exam. Now, we've got a guide that breaks down the entire licensing process from A to Z. You'll want to definitely check that out. It'll appear in the top right-hand corner. Now, the flooring specialty portion of the exam is going to be extremely important. You're going to be tested on a wide variety of areas of the flooring trade, so you've got to be prepared to answer questions covering plans and estimating, job site preparation, carpets, resilient coverings, moisture testing, filing and sanding wood, laminate floors, hardwoods, and a variety of different mathematic topics, including calculating square footage, different units of measurement, basic math, and then of course cost calculations. Now, the CSLB rotates thousands of questions, so you want to make sure that when you're preparing for this exam, obviously you have a solid foundation in your California law and business. It's 50% of the exam, so you're going to want to make sure that you're familiar with all the concepts that are going to be presented to you. Obviously, you want to have your trade-specific fundamentals down. So California, unlike other states, just has one license for all types of flooring jobs. Obviously, carpeting is included in the license too. So you want to see all of the different possible questions and how they are going to potentially be worded on the exam. Obviously, you want to make sure that you are tight on your California health and safety codes, laws, and regulations. California takes safety, job site safety, workers' rights, environmental safety, extremely important. It's going to be a big portion of the exam, so you'll want to make sure that you're familiar with it, especially if you're applying from out of state. You want to also obviously have your fundamental math skills, your common equations, formulas. You want to have some test-taking experience. Online practice tests and flashcards are extremely helpful, and not only tests questions with answers, but also explanations for each answer as to why it's correct, giving you a deeper kind of look at the context of each question so that you're able to answer these questions no matter how they're presented to you because you truly understand the concepts behind them. And then obviously walkthroughs of the exam with licensed contractors and lawyers are invaluable. You're not only getting insight on how to pass the exam, but you're getting insight on how to run an effective and profitable contracting business in California. I just want to thank you for watching. Our C-15 license course covers everything you'll need to know for the exam. You'll be 100% prepared on test day. If you have any questions, drop a comment, like and subscribe to our channel. We've got blueprint reading classes, trade classes, and a lot more. We're here to help. If you have any questions, again, my name is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.